The Little Artist Lab Online Preschool is a new fun way of learning for your preschooler. Here at the Little Artist Lab, we promote creative thinking and the opportunity for your little artist to express themselves purely. Our curriculum was developed by a bright team of innovative educators seeking to make a difference for the preschooler in the world of technology. Our virtual preschool program classes are designed to be fun and educational through hands-on activities, whether it is participating in circle time or our weekly art project. Here at the Little Artist Lab, not only are we teaching your child phonics, numbers, and the traditional preschool education, but we focus on the social skills as well. Your child will attend live classes filled with other preschool learners and a qualified preschool teacher where they can interact and develop meaningful friendships. This is the beginning of excellence for your little one, where they will learn, grow, and let their imagination run wild. We even send an art kit straight to your home for your little artist. So, when it's time for art, your child is ready to go. Our goal is to prepare your child for kindergarten and beyond. Let's enroll your child today. TheLittleArtistLab.com